Understanding the financial outcomes of truck accidents is a crucial aspect for anyone involved in such an unfortunate event. It's natural to seek clarity on what to expect in terms of a settlement. However, it's important to recognize that there isn't a one-size-fits-all answer to this question. Truck accident settlements are highly variable, influenced by a complex interplay of factors specific to each incident. The process explained simply. Think of a truck accident settlement as an agreement reached between the injured party, you or your representative, and the responsible parties, the truck driver, trucking company, their insurers, or potentially others. This agreement aims to resolve the claim without going to trial. Here's a simplified breakdown of how the settlement process typically unfolds. The accident. A collision occurs involving a large truck. Investigation. Following the accident, investigations are conducted by law enforcement, insurance companies, and potentially accident reconstruction experts. This aims to determine the cause of the accident and who is at fault. Claim filing. The injured party, or their attorney, files a claim with the insurance company of the at-fault party. This claim outlines the damages suffered. Negotiation. This is where the back and forth happens. The insurance company might make an initial offer, which is often lower than what the injured party believes is fair. Negotiations involve presenting evidence of damages and arguing for a fair settlement amount. Settlement or lawsuit. If a mutually agreeable settlement is reached, the case concludes with a signed agreement and payment. If negotiations stall, the injured party may choose to file a lawsuit to pursue compensation through the court system. Even after a lawsuit is filed, settlement negotiations can continue. Factors influencing settlement amounts. Several key elements dictate the potential value of a truck accident settlement. Severity of injuries. This is often the most significant factor. More severe injuries requiring extensive medical treatment, long-term care, and resulting in permanent disability or disfigurement typically lead to higher settlements. Medical expenses. Documented past and future medical costs directly impact the settlement value. Lost wages. If the injuries prevent the injured party from working, both past and future lost earnings are considered. Pain and suffering. This encompasses the physical pain, emotional distress, mental anguish, and loss of enjoyment of life caused by the accident and injuries. Calculating this is subjective, but is a significant component of many settlements. Property damage. Costs to repair or replace damaged vehicles or other property are usually included. Liability. The degree of fault of the truck driver or trucking company is crucial. Clear evidence of negligence, e.g., speeding, distracted driving, equipment failure, strengthens the injured party's claim. Insurance policy limits. The maximum amount the at-fault party's insurance policy will cover can cap the potential settlement, although there are often ways to pursue additional compensation beyond policy limits in certain circumstances. State laws. Laws regarding negligence, damages, and insurance vary from state to state, influencing settlement outcomes. Why there's no most amount? Given the wide range of factors at play, it's virtually impossible to pinpoint a definitive, most common settlement amount. Some cases might settle for a few $1,000s for minor injuries, while others involving catastrophic injuries can reach multi-million-dollar figures. Statistics on average settlements can be misleading because they often lump together vastly different cases. A tip for you: seek legal counsel promptly. Truck accidents are complex, involving intricate regulations, potentially multiple liable parties, and significant insurance company resources. An experienced truck accident attorney can provide invaluable guidance, protect your rights, conduct thorough investigations, build a strong case, and skillfully negotiate for a fair settlement that adequately addresses your losses. Trying to navigate this process alone can put you at a significant disadvantage.